10 minutes full body workout.
which will benefit each and every part of your body. The asanas remove the tension from your muscles. The pranayam improves your oxygen level and it helps the body to release a happy hormone which improves your confidence and makes you more joyful. I am Manju, a yoga therapist from StressFree Yoga. Like and subscribe my channel so that we stay connected whenever I upload a video. Watch the video till the end for the entire benefits. So we start and see that your full body stretch, you feel happy, calm, relaxed. Try to be empty stomach before starting this. Just feet joined together, hands joined at the sternum, palms joined together. Close your eyes. This is Stitpratasan, a prayer pose. There'll be a little swinging. Try to balance yourself. When you balance your body, your mind also balances. A smile on your face. This makes you more peaceful and it brings internal harmony also. Relax your hands, gently open your eyes. So we see our distance this way. This is 1 foot, 2, 2.5. We start with Chakra. Palms relaxed on the knees. Make a fist out of your fingers and place them on the thighs. Inhaling, take your hands up, joining your ears and a backward bend. Exhaling, a forward bend. And free yourself here. Leave your hands free, leave your neck free and breathe normally. Feel the stretch on your glutes, your hamstrings, your arms. Inhaling, make a fist of your fingers and slowly come up. Exhaling, bring your hands down, a smile on your face. This was Chakrasana variation number 1. We add one more step to this variation. Palms relaxed on the thighs, make a fist of your fingers. Inhaling, take your hands up, joining your ears and stretch. This is a spinal stretch. A backward bend which improves your confidence. A forward bend, ears touching your arms and take your arms behind facing the ceiling. Drop your head down. Stretch your full body. Feel the stretch starting from your toes to your calf muscles, your hamstrings, your glutes. Bring your hands slowly to your ears. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, slowly down. Now we add one more step to variation number 2. So this is the final step. Both palms on your thighs, 3 feet gap between your legs. Inhaling, stretch your hands up and stretch yourself. A slight backward bend. Exhaling, a forward bend, your ears and your arms together. Take your arms behind facing the ceiling and interlock your fingers. Pull them up towards the ceiling, your head towards the knees. Go down towards the toes and feel a full body stretch. Release your fingers. Take your hands to the ears. Inhaling, center. Exhaling, relax. So these were 3 variations of Chakrasana which are going to stretch each and every part of your body. Practice this at least 3 times. We start with the next asana, which is Konasan variation 1, 2, 3. Gap between your feet. Right hand on your waist, left hand by your side. Now shift your neck slowly to the left. Now we slide both the hands simultaneously. Inhaling, your right hand towards the armpit and the left hand sliding down. Look at the fingers and feel the stretch. Your elbow towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch on your sides. The side stretch is going to balance you emotionally. Exhaling, slide both the hands to the center. Left hand on the waist. Move your neck to the right side. Inhaling, bend. Slide your hands and go down towards the right. Look at the fingers down. Your elbow towards the ceiling. And feel the stretch on your arms, your back, your abdomen. Exhaling, slide your hands back. Join your feet together and just inhale. Exhale. Deep inhalation. Few deep breaths. We start with Konasan, next variation. 2.5 feet gap. Inhaling, take your right hand up and bend towards the left and stretch. You have to bend yourself in the center and stretch your hand. Feel the full stretch on your full arms, your abdomen, on your sides. Slowly exhaling, come back. Take your left hand up, touching the ear. Inhaling, bend. Stretch on the right side. Stretch your hand. Feel the stretch. Smile on your face. Exhaling, turn your palm and slowly come back. Both your feet together. This was Konasan variation number 2. Now this is Konasan variation number 3, which you are going to follow. So 1 foot, 2 feet and 3 feet. Be comfortable in the posture. Take your hands on your sides in T shape. Palms facing the ceiling. Now look at the right hand fingers. Exhaling, your right hand toes touching the left feet. Taking your left hand up. Look up and you take your body to the center. Look down. Inhaling, come to the center. Take your neck to the center. Now take your neck to the left side, looking at the fingers of your left hand. Exhaling, left hand fingers touching the right feet toes. And right hand up, taking your body to the center and looking up. Holding this position for few seconds. Look down at your fingers. Inhaling, come to the center. Exhaling, turning your palms, slowly going down. So this was Konasan 1, 2 and 3. So we done with our asanas. We start with our pranayams. We start with today's pranayam, which is deep inhalation. So we start. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This pranayam can be done early morning also when you are empty stomach. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Practice these asanas and pranayams which are really designed for you, which will really benefit you in each and every way. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel. Watch the next video on a stress busting technique.